Why do yawns spread? Yawning, a seemingly simple act, has puzzled scientists for years. While the exact reasons for yawning remain a mystery, several theories exist. One popular theory is that yawning helps cool the brain. As we yawn, we take in a large amount of cool air, which may help regulate the brain's temperature. Another theory suggests that yawning is a form of communication, signaling to others that it's time to be alert or change activities. This might explain why seeing or even thinking about someone yawning can trigger our own yawn. It's a contagious phenomenon that showcases the power of suggestion and our innate social connections.